What's up everybody, Fritz here coming at you from SVBimmer again, and in today's video we're going to go over 2 easy modifications that you can do on the F80 M3. Now these 2 modifications will actually apply to any BMW that need the additional width and depth to their appearance, because perhaps there's a wheel out there that you like but it doesn't come in the proper offset in order to achieve that flush fitment. That's exactly why we went with this premium kit from Future Classic that include the aerospace grade aluminum spacers that come in a variety of sizes. They even throw in the extended lug bolts, the anti-seize grease, and brand new rotor screws. We would consider this installation a 2 out of 10 here. So to start, remove the wheel, and then you're gonna have to clean that center portion of the rotor because all the brake dust, road grime, and dirt, it's on here. So make sure that we have a clean surface to work with. Then go ahead and remove the rotor screws. You won't need these anymore. With the screws removed, apply the anti-seize grease around the hub to make sure that nothing gets stuck here. Now the hub is ready to receive the hub-centric wheel spacers. And they're going to be attached by the rotor screws included in the kit here. That's right, these spacers are attached by the rotor screws. So all the vibration that a lot of people complain of by putting in spacers, you won't have that issue here. Now go ahead and rinse and repeat 3 more times before applying the extended lug bolts on and putting your wheels on. Now it's time to give this car the depth that it deserves by putting in a 3D design front lip by RW Carbon. But honestly, you go with any front lip that suits your taste. And the great thing about most front lips is that they're going to work with the existing screw holes that are on the bumper. In some cases, there is going to be a little bit of cutting involved, as well as some drilling. That's why we consider this a 3 out of 10. You will also need some double-sided tape to make sure that the front lip won't go anywhere. And we would recommend that when you apply the double-sided tape, that you take the edge and fold it off to the side as you see here. And the reason why is because once you have the front lip in place, you can remove the double-sided tape without shifting the front lip. And now all that you have to do is drill out the new holes and put in the new screws if necessary, put back in the OEM screws as well as the existing OEM paneling. Now take your BMW to a nice place and admire what these 2 subtle modifications have done to drastically improve the look of your car. And just like that, this M3 as well as your F80 BMW now have the width and depth that it deserves. The high quality spacers giving us the perfect fitment on the wheel side, and the high quality carbon fiber front lip giving us the depth when we're coming into any turn is what this BMW deserves, as well as what your BMW deserves. Now if you're doing this at home with a jack and some jack stands, this should take you about 45 minutes for each installation, an hour if you want to be really precise on those measurements. Again, take your time, do it right. That's going to be the most important thing in order to ensure the best fitment and the best depth. If you have any questions for us, please leave it down in the comment section below. All the tools as well as all of the parts that we used in this video is going to be down in the description, and we'll see all of you guys in the next one.